Learn how to optimize your affiliate marketing strategies. There is so much knowledge out there on the internet about affiliate marketing. Many people think that it is difficult to know what to do. The thing to do is use all the tips you think you can apply to your affiliate marketing endeavors. Here are some tips that you can use for affiliate marketing. Signing on with a pay-per-sale affiliate marketing plan is risky, but it can pay off. When you have a PPS affiliate, you will only be paid if advertising on your site induces a visitor to make a purchase from the advertiser. This is a rare occurrence. When it does happen, though, the payout can be considerable, possibly even a commission on the product sold. To sell products more easily, look for cheap products. Present the price as an excellent deal and compare it to what customers would have to pay in a store. Allowing people to subscribe to your website and receive newsletters from you will help you to appear more legitimate in the affiliate field. Especially if you're offering a trustworthy product or service, you want to keep in touch with your customers so that they become repeat customers and help you to increase your profits regularly. A great affiliate marketing tip is to put Google AdSense on your site. AdSense is an ad that is placed on your site, and when the ad is clicked on by a guest on your site, you will be paid by Google for that click. If you have a site that has a lot of visitors on a regular basis, it is easy to earn some extra money using AdSense. Just as stated in the beginning of the video, you have to use what tips you think you can apply to help in your affiliate marketing success. The tips here should be able to help you with your decision making and guide you to the right path. Make sure you apply the advice from the video and you should be on your way to making money in no time. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.